Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive 7-passenger with the limited package. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine and you'll be running on top of upgraded 15-inch wheels. Included in your limited package is your dual screen Blu-ray player for your rear passengers, plus a tri-zone climate control and integrated navigation with Entune 3.0 for the ultimate driving convenience.
Helping you into your Sienna is your handy smart key system. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your power slide doors, your power liftgate, and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have your illuminated entry, your turn signal indicator on your side mirrors there. And what we're going to do is we're going to lock up those doors now. Put the keys into my pocket. You have 2 functions with your smart key system. You can simply put your hand in the handle and it will unlock for you. And by putting your hand on the sensor, it will lock. So unlocking it now to open it up. Right away, you're greeted by a sophisticated 2-tone interior. There's that illuminated entry again, some additional storage, plus your Sienna is finished with your nice sleek gray leather trim. You also have this wood grain trim all throughout as part of the motif inside your Sienna. You have your power windows, your power locks, power adjustable side mirrors, and your power folding option. You also do have the option to set 2 different driver positions in case you have multiple drivers in your family. Now, your limited package also comes with your power venting rear windows. You have your traction control, your park assist sensors, your 360-degree bird's eye view camera, heated leather wrap steering wheel, and you have your headlamp leveling option for when you're towing your trailer or taking the crew out. You also do have a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean. Plus, both your driver and passenger side are power adjustable. And check out the real showstopper of your Sienna, your light gray leather interiors all throughout, tying that grace and style together. Now, on the roof there, you can see you have your dual power tilt and slide moonroof, which offers just the right amount of light and air on those long summer drives. So why don't we hop on the side and start it? Starting up your Sienna, simply put your foot on the brake there and hit that push and start button. The dashboard's going to light up with that cool welcome screen. And also you have your ambient lighting here at white and blue. Taking a look at your display now, you can see that you have your multi-information display controlled by your steering wheel mounted controls. Right now it is open to your setting features for both your Toyota Safety Sense and Star Safety systems. So things like your pre-collision system and your blind spot monitor. You can turn on and off those alerts, plus set the sensitivity of those sensors. In addition to that, you have your volume control, your mode changers, voice command, hands-free calling on one side, and below here you'll find your lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control, which is part of your Toyota Safety Sense. Below here you'll find your cruise control, which you can set. It says radar ready, which your dynamic radar cruise control is a distance keeping feature. You have your leather wrap steering wheel, which as mentioned before is heated. You also do have your fog lamps plus your automatic headlights. On this side here you have your rear and front windshield wipers. And taking a look at your LCD touch panel display, we'll turn on that daytime mode so that you can see. Hit that display, turn on the daytime mode, there you go. So opening up your menu here, you'll see that you have your navigation integrated into your display here. A new modern style, easy to use, and definitely come on in and to know home address and see how it works for you. Opening up your audio system, you can see that you have your AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, CD player on top, USB, Bluetooth, and your And taking a look on the side here, you also do have your rear passenger's audio system. Just turn on and off in case you want to listen to something else. You have your Slacker and NPR1 radio, which opening up your applications you can see are part of your Entune app suite. which also includes things like your sport updates, your weather, and traffic updates, all synced to your phone. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen here, nice clear image. You have those guidelines, and you also do have the split screen system with your 360-degree bird's eye view camera. You can also manually turn on your 360 cam aside there, which does a full walk around. Just make sure you turn on your park assist sensors first so that it can function properly, and you can make sure there's no clearances or anything in the way before you leave your driveway or parking spot. Now, below here you'll find your digital display for your tri-zone climate control, so you have a different temperature for your driver, passenger, and rear passengers. Your rear passengers do have a climate control panel above your rear passenger side there, and you also do have that electronic automatic climate control. You have the option to sync, and you do have your air conditioning as well. Your stylish shift knob with that wood grain trim again, and you're seeing that sport drive mode. Below here you'll find your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side, USB auxiliary input, and your 12-volt DC charger. You also do have your additional cup holders, because sometimes you need more than one cup of coffee in the day. And below you'll find a Blu-ray DVD player, which plays on your dual screen system in the back. As you can see, you have that ambient lighting inside your cup holders, wood grain trim again, and you have a stylish center console. Has plenty of spaces for everything that you need. Plus, below your center console here, you find a 120-volt AC plug-in and 2 USB charging stations. You have your cup holders, which store away neatly. Speaking of storage, you have your dashboard storage compartment on top, finished with that leather trim. You also do have your brown trim across your dashboard, brown wood grain trim, and of course in your glove box all the manuals you'll need to know, everything there is to know about your Sienna. Plus there's a lock to keep things nice and safe. Plenty of safety and stylish features built right into your Sienna. But while we hop on back, take a look at cargo.
Here we are at the back cargo area of your Sienna. To activate that power liftgate, simply hold that button on your fob there, and it'll open up for you. A nice convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Right now you have your third row seating installed, but check out all of that space available to you still with that storage. And you also do have your tools and jack on the side in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You'll be prepared. You have your cargo lamp as well as a 12-volt DC charger and a 120-volt AC plug-in. Now the instructions to stow away your third row is easy, so why don't we take a look at all the cargo space that's opened up. Stowing away that third row seating now, check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your Sienna. Now those rear passenger seats also completely removed, so you'll have plenty of space to carry any larger items that you may have. Reactivating that power liftgate, you can press that button up there, or if you're walking away from the back, you can also use your key fob. Underneath this spoiler detailing, you can find your rear windshield wiper when things start getting a little bit messy. You also do have your standard backup camera, help you in and out of those tight spots. You have your skid plate on the bottom. Plus, you have your additional park assist sensors to make sure you're checking all of those clearances. And underneath, you'll find your spare tire storage. You have that chrome badging detailing as you take one more look at the back of your Sienna.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive with the 7-passenger and your V6 engine in the limited package. Built right into your Sienna is your Toyota Safety Sense and Star Safety systems to have you riding away in the ultimate comfort and safety. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137